Gusto nyo ba maglaro tayo ng hide and seek? Alam niyo yung hide and seek, guys, yung killer hahanapin yung civilian. Pero walang voting, walang report. Kumbaga, yung killer lang yung papatay.
Okay, ako dyan, Be. Masaya yan at mabilis.
Nice. No, 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 no.
Emotional, damn it!